All right, Lancers, here we are, 11.3, Part 2. In Part 1, we talked about key terms, and in Part 2, I'm going to go over how to find the lateral area and eventually the entire surface area of your pyramid, okay? So first of all, let's talk about lateral area. I'm going to scoot on over here. So this is a net, right? A net of a square pyramid. And what we've done is we've taken the lateral sides and we've laid them flat. And so how do we find the area of a triangle? Well, we simply take the base, we multiply that by the height, we multiply that by 1/2. So in this case, so remember, haha, and I said queso. In this case, remember, these lateral areas or lateral sides were folded up, they're folded down. So that S, or that L, I should say, that is, if you recall, that is the slant height. Alrighty? And so if we found the area of one triangle, right, the side, which is the edge, and then we have our slant height, multiply that by 1/2, we basically get the area of one triangle. And depending on the number of triangles, and in this case there's 4, so I'm going to scoot back out, that 4 would get us the total area of this lateral area. There's an easier definition or easier formula, and if we look right here, this is it. Okay, so all we're going to do is we're going to find all of the areas of the lateral faces by saying half. We're going to take the perimeter, so whatever shape we have, that's a square. In this case, it's a square, but we could have a triangle, we could have a hexagon, octagon, whatever that perimeter is, and then we're going to multiply it by L, right? Again, that's our slant height. And once we do that, we have our lateral area. And then we're going to take that lateral area and multiply or add that to the base. Now, why doesn't base have an actual formula? Because as I've just said, it can actually have all kinds of shapes. So going back to the last chapter, remember how we found all kinds of cool areas for different shapes? Well, that's where it is. So if